Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn about the Newton's cradle. And Newton's cradle, by that way we will learn about the inertia. We will learn Newton's first law, Newton's second law and Newton's third law. So whenever I take the one bead now here, then you surprise that what happened, we imagine that. So when I leave the one bead, we have the question either all bead will come in the motion, but all bead will never come in the motion. As I take the one bead, the second side, one bead is only going. This is the conservation of momentum. Okay, so you can see here when I take the one bead and apply the force, second side one bead is going, and the inertia is, if the object is in the motion, it will remain in the motion till and until unbalanced force act on it, or if the object is in the rest condition, it will remain in the rest condition till and until the unbalanced force act on it. Okay, so now the question is arise that if it is in the motion, why it stop? It stop only is reason is that one is friction force. Second thing is what, this bead lost the energy in what, producing the sound. Otherwise, if the object is in the motion, it will remain in the motion till and until the external force act on it. You can take the example of this fan, earth rotate around the sun. Okay, they will never stop because what happened, external force is not act. Now we will try to take the second bead here, two beads we will take, and again we will imagine what happened. So whenever we apply the two beads here, and then we think that three are going in the direction, but surprise thing is that only two are going on the both the direction. Again here the law of conservation of momentum. Okay, so we try to understand what is called momentum. Momentum means product of mass and velocity is momentum. We will take the example of two girls. Two girls, in that one girl weight is more and other girl weight is less, and the task is given to you that you have to stop any one girl. If the two girls are running and the one girl is having more weight and other girl is having the less weight, you always try to stop the girl whose weight is what, less. Okay, so inertia and momentum is depend upon the mass. Mass is more, momentum is more, inertia is more. So we will always try to stop those girl whose weight is less, more. So Newton's second law give the magnitude of the force. Newton's first law give the definition of inertia. So what is called the Newton's second law? The product of mass and acceleration is called the force. F equals to ma. F equals to ma. The product of mass and acceleration is called the force, and its unit is Newton. Other unit is kilogram into meter per second square. Third unit is very important. It will come as the third unit is dyne in the CGS system. Now we try to understand about the other definition of the force. The change in momentum in unit time is called the force. The change in the momentum in unit time is called the force. So here initially momentum is same, but whenever we apply the force, momentum is changed. Velocity is changed. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity is called the momentum. So F equals to delta P upon T, that is called the force. Okay. We learn about the Newton's third law. Newton's third law is I take one bead, that is action, and second side other bead is going, that is reaction. So action is in the one direction, reaction is in other direction. So we can give the definition of Newton's third law is what? Action and reaction are equal in magnitude, but they are in what? Opposite direction. Got here? If I take 2 here, then maybe the other side 2 are going. If I take 3, then the others, both the side 3 are going. Possible, then I will try here because my hands are not that much size. So you can see that 3 are going. Okay, same way it follows the law of conservation of momentum. Initial momentum of this body equal to the final momentum, that is called the law of conservation of momentum. Thank you.